Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the hardware and software. Power on the Beats and ensure the battery is above 20% so the headset stays active. Once done, plug in a high-quality USB-C to USB-C cable or a USB-C to USB adapter if your computer lacks C ports. Make sure your computer's OS is updated and, if available, open the Beats or manufacturer updater to install the latest firmware. This avoids connection quirks and ensures the headset will present as a USB audio device. You now perform the core connection. Firmly insert the USB-C cable into the Beats port and into your computer. On Mac OS, open System Settings Sound and choose Beat Studio Pro for output and input. On Windows 10/11, right-click the speaker icon, open Sound Settings, then select Beats under Output and Input. Set it as default. If you work with audio apps, adjust sample rate and bit depth in Advanced Device Properties, so audio syncs properly and applications recognize the heads. You finish by validating the connection. Play audio and join a quick call or record a test clip to confirm both playback and microphone work. Make sure apps are set to use the Beats device rather than a built-in microphone. Relaunch any app after you change sound settings. If the computer does not recognize the headset, restart the OS, try a different USB port, and swap cables. Often a faulty cable or port, not the headphones, causes the problem. If needed, reinstall the USB audio driver or update firmware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.